Restaurant reservation.
Excuse me, I have a reservation for dinner tonight.
Of course. Welcome to Daniel's restaurant. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it is Tom Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Let me check the list. Yes, I see your reservation here.
Great. I was a little worried because the restaurant looks very busy.
It is a busy evening, but your table is ready. You reserved a table for one, correct?
Yes, just one person tonight.
Okay,
I need to make one phone call before dinner.
that is fine. I can seat you at a small table near the wall.
Thank you. Is it far from the kitchen?
No, not too far, but it is still quiet. Many guests like that corner.
That sounds perfect.
Here is your menu. Our grilled fish and chicken pasta are popular tonight.
Good to know. Do you also have something simple like soup or salad?
Yes, we have chicken soup, vegetable soup, and a fresh green salad.
Nice. I will look at this menu for a few minutes.
Take your time. Your server will come soon.
Thank you for helping me so quickly.
You are welcome. Enjoy your dinner.
Thanks. This table is just right.
I am glad to hear that. Please let us know if you need anything.
Will someone come to take my order after I sit down?
Yes, your server will come in a minute and explain the specials again.
If the restaurant gets louder later, can I move to another table?
If we have an open table, we can help you changing table.
Lost wallet at the mall.
Hi, I think I lost my wallet somewhere in the mall.
I am sorry to hear that. This is the information desk, so I can help you check.
Thank you. I am feeling nervous because my card and ID are inside.
I understand. Please take a breath. Where did you last see it?
I had it at the shoe store. Then I walked to the food court.
Okay. What color is the wallet?
It is dark brown. It is small and old.
Does it have your name or any special mark on it?
Yes. There is a small blue card inside with my name on it.
All right. Let me check the lost and found box.
Thank you. I hope someone brought it here.
I see one brown wallet here, but I need to ask a few questions before I give it to you.
Of course, please ask.
What is the first name on the ID?
Tom. The full name is Tom Miller.
Good. And what color is the bank card?
It is white.
That matches. This wallet is yours.
Oh, thank goodness. I was really worried.
A shop assistant found it near the food court and brought it here.
That was very kind. Is everything still inside?
Please check it carefully before you leave.
My ID is here and my card is here too. Everything is okay.
Great. Please be careful with it today. The mall is crowded.
I will. Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a safe day.
Should I write my phone number somewhere for the report?
Yes, please write it here, so we can call you if anything else is found.
At the hair salon.
Good morning. I have an appointment for a haircut.
Good morning. Welcome to Bright Hair Salon. What time is your appointment?
It is at 2:30.
Let me check. Yes, I see it. Your appointment is with me today.
Great. I do not want a big change, just a clean haircut.
Okay, please have a seat in this chair.
Thank you. My hair is getting too long on the sides.
I can make the sides shorter and keep the top a little longer.
That sounds good. Please do not cut the top too short.
Of course. Do you want it neat for work or more casual?
Neat for work, please. I have a meeting tomorrow.
I understand. I will keep it simple and tidy.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 25 minutes. I will start with the sides first.
Okay. Do you need me to look down?
Yes, please look down for a moment. Perfect.
Is this salon usually quiet?
Generally, it gets busier after work.
That makes sense.
Your haircut is almost done. Would you like a little hair gel?
Just a little, please. Nothing too shiny.
Sure, here's the mirror. How does it look?
It looks much better. The sides are perfect.
I am glad you like it. The total is $15.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can tap your card here.
Done. Thank you for the haircut.
You are welcome. Good luck with your meeting tomorrow.
Do I need to make another appointment for next month?
You can book now if you want, or call us later this week.
That is helpful. I like planning early.
Science project at school.
Emma, do you have the science project paper?
Yes, I have it right here. We need to choose one simple experiment.
Good. The teacher said it should be easy to explain.
Right. We can do a project about plants and sunlight.
That sounds clear. What do we need?
2 small plants, water, a notebook, and a sunny window.
That is easy. One plant can stay near the window and one can stay away from the light.
Exactly. Then we can watch them for 1 week.
We should write what we see each day.
Yes. We can use simple sentences like, the plant is green or the leaf is dry.
Good idea. Do we need pictures too?
The teacher said pictures are helpful but not required.
Let us take pictures anyway. They will make the poster better.
I agree. We also need a title.
How about plants and sunlight?
That is simple and clear.
Who will bring the plants?
I can bring 1 small plant from home.
I can buy one after school. It does not need to be expensive.
Perfect. We should also make a short speaking part.
I can explain the first plant.
And I can explain the second plant.
I feel better now. This project sounded difficult at first.
Me too, but now we have a plan.
Let us meet tomorrow in the classroom after lunch.
Okay, bring your notebook and I will bring the project paper.
Should we make the poster colorful or keep it plain?
Colorful is better, but the words must stay easy to read.
Ice cream shop.
This ice cream shop smells wonderful.
Welcome. You can look at the flavors first.
Thank you. There are so many choices.
Yes, we have vanilla, chocolate, lemon, strawberry, and cookie cream today.
Which one is the most popular?
Cookie cream is very popular, and lemon is nice and fresh.
Can I try a small taste of cookie cream?
Sure. Here is a small spoon.
Thank you. Oh, that is really good.
Would you like 1 scoop or 2 scoops?
1 scoop is enough for me.
Cup or cone?
A cone, please.
Okay. Would you like any topping? We have nuts, chocolate sauce, and small cookies.
Small cookies sound nice.
Great. I will add a few on top.
How much is it?
1 scoop in a cone with cookies is $4.
Okay, can I pay in cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your change, and here's your ice cream.
It looks perfect. I hope it does not melt too fast.
It is warm outside, so please eat it soon.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your ice cream.
Do you have napkins? I do not want to make a mess.
Yes, there are napkins on the small table by the door.
Is there a small table where I can sit for a minute?
Yes, the table by the window is free right now.
Bus stop conversation.
Excuse me, does this bus stop go to Central Park?
Yes, bus number 21 goes near Central Park.
Thank you. I am not from this area, so I am checking the route.
No problem. The sign can be confusing at first.
Do I need to change buses?
No, you can stay on the same bus. It takes about 15 minutes.
That is good. How many stops is it?
I think it is 5 stops from here.
Should I get off at Park Street?
Yes, Park Street is the best stop.
Great. Is the bus usually on time?
Most days, yes. but it is a little late when traffic is heavy.
The app says it will arrive in 6 minutes.
That sounds right. I take this bus often.
Can I pay with a card on this bus?
Yes, you can tap your card near the driver.
Good. I do not have coins with me.
That is okay. Many people use cards now.
Is Central Park busy today?
Maybe. The weather is sunny, so many families go there.
I just want to walk and take pictures.
Then Park Street is perfect. The main gate is across the road.
Thank you. You explained it clearly.
You are welcome. The bus is coming now.
Great. I will stand ready.
Remember, Park Street is the fifth stop.
I will. Thanks again. Is there a map inside the bus or should I use my phone?
There is a small screen inside, but your phone map can help too.
New student introduction.
Hello, I am new in this class.
Welcome. Please come in and take this seat near the window.
Thank you. I am a little nervous.
That is normal on the first day. My name is Emma, and I'm your English teacher.
Nice to meet you, Ms. Emma.
Nice to meet you too. What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Welcome, Tom. Would you like to introduce yourself with 2 simple sentences?
Okay. My name is Tom. I like reading and basketball.
Very good. That was clear and confident.
Thank you. I was not sure what to say.
You did well. In this class, we use simple English every day.
That sounds helpful. I want to speak more.
Great goal. You can ask questions anytime.
Where should I put my books?
You can put them on the desk. We will start with a short reading.
Do I need a notebook?
Yes, please take out a notebook and a pencil.
I have both in my bag.
Perfect. Today, we will learn classroom words.
Like book, desk, board, and pencil?
Exactly. You already know some useful words.
That makes me feel better.
Good. We will go slowly, and you can join when you are ready.
Thank you for being kind.
You are welcome, Tom. Let us begin.
Should I speak loudly when I answer in class?
Speak clearly, but you do not need to shout. A calm voice is best.
Basketball practice.
Coach Emma, am I late for basketball practice?
No, Tom. You are right on time. Please put your bag near the bench.
Okay. I brought my water bottle and my towel.
Good. Today we will practice passing, shooting, and simple defense.
I need help with shooting. My shots often miss the basket.
That is okay. We will start close to the basket.
Should I stand here?
A little closer, please. Keep your feet apart and bend your knees.
Like this?
Yes. Now hold the ball with both hands.
I feel more balanced now.
Good. Look at the square on the backboard and shoot gently.
Okay, I will try.
Nice try. The ball was close.
It hit the rim, but it did not go in.
That is still progress. Try again, but use less power.
All right, this time I will move slowly.
Great shot. That one went in.
Yes, I finally made it.
Well done. Now we will practice chest passes.
Who should I pass to?
Pass to me first. Step forward and push the ball from your chest.
Like this?
Exactly. That was a clean pass.
Practice feels easier when I understand each step.
That is why we go slowly. Strong basics make better players.
Thank you, Coach. I want to keep improving.
You will. Drink some water, then we will continue.
Should I practice every day after school?
A little practice every day is better than a long practice once a week.
Pet shop visit.
Hi, I am looking for food for a small dog.
Welcome to Happy Pets. How old is your dog?
She is 3 years old.
Is she a small dog or a medium dog?
She is small. She does not eat very much.
Then this small breed dog food may be good for her.
Is it chicken flavor?
Yes, it is chicken and rice. It is simple and gentle.
That sounds good. Do you have a smaller bag?
Yes, this bag is 2 pounds. It is good if you want to try it first.
Perfect. I also need a new water bowl.
We have plastic bowls and metal bowls.
Which one is easier to clean?
The metal bowl is usually easier to clean and lasts longer.
I will take the metal bowl then.
Good choice. Would you like a small toy as well?
Maybe. She likes soft toys, but she chews them quickly.
This soft rope toy is strong but still safe for small dogs.
How much is it?
It is $7.
Okay, I will take it. She will be happy.
So one small dog food, one metal bowl, and one rope toy.
That is correct.
The total is $22.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done. Thank you for explaining everything.
You are welcome. I hope your dog enjoys the toy.
Do you also sell small bags for carrying dog treats?
Yes, they are near the counter, and many customers use them for walks.
Weekend weather talk.
Emma, have you checked the weather for this weekend?
Yes, I checked it this morning. Saturday looks sunny, but Sunday may be rainy.
That is good to know. I wanted to do something outside.
Then Saturday is better. The temperature will be warm, but not too hot.
Maybe we can go for a short walk at the park.
That sounds nice. We can go in the morning before it gets crowded.
Good idea. What time should we meet?
How about 9:30?
9:30 works for me. Should we bring coffee?
Yes, but let us buy on the way. Then we do not need to carry much.
Great. I can also bring a small umbrella just in case.
That is smart. The weather can change quickly.
What about Sunday?
If it rains, we can stay inside and watch a movie.
I like that plan. A quiet Sunday sounds good.
Do you prefer a comedy or an adventure movie?
A comedy, please. I want something light and funny.
Perfect. Then Saturday is for walking and Sunday is for a movie.
That makes the weekend feel organized.
Yes, and we do not need a big plan. Simple plans are often the best.
I agree. I will wear comfortable shoes on Saturday.
And I will bring my camera. The park looks beautiful in the morning.
Nice. Maybe we can take pictures of the flowers.
Good idea. Let us check the weather again on Friday night.
Sure. If it changes, we can adjust the plan.
Exactly. For now, Saturday morning sounds perfect.
Should we send a message on Saturday morning before we leave?
Yes. Let us text each other after breakfast and confirm the time.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.